Hello and welcome. So this is a quick tap. It's called like a quick boost of health. So let's get straight into it. So tap on the side of the hand, sit up nice and tall, and just take a deep breath. And repeat these words if it feels good. I allow my body to heal. I allow myself to rest. I'm allowing all the cells in my body to repair and to rejoice. And I find it easy to breathe. Good, here. I'm allowing my whole body to feel good. On the side. I'm open to the possibility of feeling good all day long. I'm allowing my lungs to breathe and open with ease. Deep breath. Nice. I allow my heart to beat steadily and strongly with ease. On the chin. I allow all my organs to work at optimal levels. Deep breath. Good. And any tension that I've got in my body right now, any resistance I'm holding on to, any tightness in my solar plexus, it's safe now to let them go. Deep breath. And I'm allowing all this tension to be free from my body. Yeah. I'm allowing any remaining resistance to move through with ease. I'm choosing to send my body love. I choose now to send my whole body love. Yeah. And even though sometimes it works against me, or it's got tension, and it feels out of balance, I accept how it feels, and I fully and deeply accept it anyway. Deep breath. On the left. I'm allowing my whole body to breathe with ease. On the chin. I'm allowing my nervous system to stabilize, to rest, and to function at optimal levels. I'm taking the time now to send my body love. And I'm taking the time now to feel good. Yeah. Because I'm allowing myself to feel good. I'm giving myself permission to feel good for no reason. From the eye. I'm giving myself permission to feel good for no reason. Deep breath. That's a good one. I love that one. Good. I'm choosing to appreciate my hands and all the work they do. Yeah. I'm choosing to appreciate my feet and all the work that they do for me. I'm giving thanks to my whole body. And I'm giving thanks to all the cells in my body right now. I'm allowing myself to feel good, to feel at ease, and to feel balanced. And I'm choosing to let go of anything that's blocking that, or anything that's taking my attention away from that. It's safe now to let it go. Deep breath. Up here. And so for the rest of the day, I'm going to allow myself to feel good. I'm going to allow myself to feel natural and at ease. And I'm going to allow my breath to be deep and easy. Deep breath. And I'm giving thanks to myself right now for taking the time to do this. Good. And then this next part, to finish, I want you, eyes closed if it's comfortable, or open. And I want you to imagine smiling now at your body, like a little cheeky smile. So see if you can allow yourself to smile, call it like a Buddha smile. And let that smile move through the whole body. Good. Tap on the chest. A few more breaths here, just smiling at the body. One more breath. It feels good to be me. And I fully and deeply love and accept myself anyway. Deep breath. And relax. Good. So enjoy the rest of your day. If you want more videos like this, then let me know. Leave a comment below. Check out my other videos, or come and visit me on my website where you can have more cool free stuff. And I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.